Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a Gmail feature that can help you keep your inbox organized, accessing archives in Gmail. So, let's get right into it. Step 1. Explanation of Gmail archives. It's a way to remove emails from your inbox without deleting them. When you archive an email in Gmail, it's essentially moved out of your inbox and into your All Mail folder. Step 2. Accessing archives in Gmail. To get started, open up Google Chrome and navigate to Gmail. Just click on the Gmail option here. Now, let's demonstrate how to archive an email. Open up an email you want to archive and you'll see the Archive option. Click on it. Now that we've archived the email, let's find it in the archives. Simply click on the All Mail option on the left-hand menu. And there you have it. Your archived email is right here. If you want to move the email back to your inbox, click on it, and you'll see the option to Move to Inbox. Click on it, and the conversation will be back in your inbox. So, there you have it. Accessing archived emails in Gmail is as simple as that. You can also archive emails by using this process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.